festival of lights, gratitude, love, and prosperity. It all starts with cleaning the house, making different kinds of rotis, snacks, and sweets. This is sel roti, a crispy fried donut made from rice, ghee, and sugar, specially made in Tihar. The other types of rotis are khurma, arsha roti, and many more. On the first day, Kak Tihar, we worship and feed crows because they are believed to be the messenger of Yamraj, the god of death. On the second day, Kukur Tihar, we worship dogs. It's done to honor Yamraj and express our gratitude towards these faithful, loyal creatures who always protect us. We put flower garland around their neck, feed them, and respect them. On the next day or same evening, we worship Goddess Mahalakshmi for wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. We make rangolis from colors and flowers and decorate them with light and diyas. We also draw footsteps of Mahalakshmi to denote Mahalakshmi entering our home. Then begins the Devshi Bhailo, a traditional Nepali folk performance where groups of people go door to door, singing, dancing, and offering blessings for prosperity. Devshi Bhailo is played until the last day of Tihar, which is Bhai Tika. In return to their performance, the households give money, sweets, and food to the performers. On the next day, cow and ox are also worshipped for their importance in human life. Also, Nevari community celebrate this day as self-worshipping day called Mahapuja. On the day of Bhai Tika, sisters apply a Saptarangi Tika on their brother's forehead to wish them for long life, prosperity, and protection. This tika holds a religious belief of Yamraj, his sister, and their bonding. Makhmali garland is also put around the brother's neck, which signifies longevity.